In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized ending screens in Typeform using branching logic. If you want different respondents to see different final messages based on how they answer your form, Typeform makes that possible with branching. This is especially useful when you want to personalize the experience, send people to different next steps, or simply make your form feel more relevant and polished. To begin, open your form in the Typeform Builder. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the right-hand sidebar and click on Logic. From there, select Branching. This is the area where you control how people move through your form based on their responses. Think of branching as a way to create simple decision paths. So instead of everyone following the exact same ending, Typeform can guide each person to a specific result. Next, go to the bottom of your question workflow and add multiple end screens. These are the final screens respondents will see when they finish the form, and each one can contain a different message, instruction, or call to action. For example, one end screen might thank a user and invite them to continue, while another might give a different follow-up depending on how they responded earlier. Adding all of your end screens first makes the next part much easier to organize. After that, set up your conditional rules. In the branching section, create rules based on the answers you want to use. For instance, if the answer to question 1 is yes, you can send that respondent to end screen A. If the answer is something else, you can route them to a different end screen. The key here is to make sure each rule clearly matches the outcome you want. Keep your logic simple and easy to review, especially if you're building more than one route. Once your rules are in place, click Save. This applies the branching logic and ensures respondents are directed to the correct customized ending screen based on their answers. As a final tip, take a moment to test your form before publishing it. Run through each possible answer path to confirm that every rule sends users to the intended end screen. That quick check can help you catch mistakes early and make sure the experience feels smooth from start to finish. And that's it. You've now set up branching in Typeform so different respondents can see customized ending screens tailored to their answers.